Here's everything you need to know about using OpinionX in under 60 seconds. The first thing to decide is which ranking format to use. If you're not sure, hover over each type for a quick explainer. To set up your ranking block, type in your list of options manually or hit the import button to quickly copy and paste. I like to include a text response question right after the ranking block so that I can ask participants if they have any other options they think that I should add to the ranking list. I want to know what each person votes for, so I'll include an identify block to ask for something like their email, name, or ID number. I'm also going to use a multiple choice question to ask people what team they're on, because I can use this later to filter and compare the results for each team. Now that I'm finished setting up, I want to see how the survey will look to participants, so I hit the preview button to open up a test survey in a new tab where I don't have to delete my votes afterwards. Once I'm ready to go, I hit the share button and grab the link to send to my participants. I'm also going to add my teammates so that they can help me with analysis afterwards. And that's everything you need to know to create your own OpinionX survey. For more help, check out the product guides in our knowledge base or just send us your questions directly.